right, Darren, we're supposed to get rain in the next few days. Is that going to do anything to the snow supply in Tahoe?
It's going to be relatively warm storms, actually.
Okay.
So we're going to put a lot of water in the mountains, but it's going to come in the form of rain, probably pretty high with this series of storms coming our way, at least with the first one. And with the amount of rain coming our way here, it's a complicated story in the forecast to communicate what the expected range is for totals. So the National Weather Service did something pretty creative. This is an image that they shared today, and I thought it was so helpful and kind of cool to look at. I wanted to share it with you and maybe just explain what they're trying to communicate on here. They've got 3 different scenarios on here. How much rain are we going to see between Sunday and Tuesday? And the 3 possibilities on here kind of split the difference. The one over here says it's in the percentile that just about is guaranteed. You're going to see at least that much. The one on the far right says on the most extreme end of this forecast, those rainfall amounts, which get up to like 4 inches in some places, technically are possible, but they're really low odds. It's the middle one here that they wanted you to see. And I'm going to show you specific numbers that fit that description for how much rain we're likely going to see between Sunday and Tuesday. But there is still some uncertainty with this system coming our way. And you'll see why when we look at just the leading edge of it. We look out into the Pacific. You don't even see the storm yet. Put it into the futurecast. Watch how this thing develops. Very quickly, you get this beautiful counterclockwise spin. There's our area of low pressure. And then watch what it's going to do. From Friday to Sunday, it's going to sit in one place like that. That is a cutoff low. It's not connected to the storm track, and there's no jet stream pushing it along. And if you've been watching the forecast, really this entire early winter so far, we've had several of these cutoff lows that make it very difficult to break down exactly what they're going to do. So we'll take a look at the most updated and most recent thinking on this, but that's not getting here till Sunday. So before we get into Sunday, in just about 30 seconds from now, let me show you what tomorrow's going to be like. Because tomorrow, you're not getting rain. You do have a spare the air, so keep that in mind. It's going to be a bit hazy tomorrow. And with the morning lows not getting terribly cold, we'll probably be back down into like the low 40s at our coldest for most places. Hopefully you don't have to go to those wood-burning fireplaces. And keep in mind, it's a spare the air day tomorrow, so technically you can't anyway. So just things to be aware about for air quality. And tomorrow, few high clouds tomorrow, and that is about it. All right, let's get back into that forecast. And when we take a look at the system beyond that point, we've got to go to the long-range model, so we lose a little bit of resolution, but you still see that same story. There's a cutoff low. Doesn't get here till Sunday. So the leading edge of the showers arrives on Sunday, and then into Monday, we're kind of right towards the best part of this system. So late Sunday into Monday, plan on widespread rain from system number 1. But this is just the first of 2. Look what sneaks in right behind it. And then look what that one does. That's going to be another cutoff low that's going to park itself right off the coast and sit there for a few days. So from Sunday through Thursday, chance of rain on each one of those days. And if we look at those rainfall totals, this was that splitting the difference, the forecast that the National Weather Service had up. Here's how it accumulates. We don't get much Saturday, if anything. Sunday's totals now start to show up. That's how much we could see just Sunday. That's how much we could see when you add Monday. And now we're looking at numbers that are getting to about 1.25 inches. This is taking us into Tuesday and Wednesday. And once we get to Thursday, you see the totals start to approach perhaps 2 to 2.5 inches even in some of the rainier spots. This is the splitting the difference forecast, and it's the best information that we've got to go on. The real takeaway is plan on a chance of rain from Sunday going all the way through much of the remainder of this 7-day forecast. So it looks messy back here. We're going to get a lot more refined over the next 24 and 36 hours on the specifics.